Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Talk. Today we are going to discuss part 10, how to create custom pipe. Before proceed to this video, please watch the ninth part, pipe in Angular. I will share the link in description box. Steps to create custom pipe. You can create the custom pipe using this CLI command. For that, you can use ng generate pipe custom name title pipe. Custom name title pipe is my pipe name. Or another way, short way, we can use nggp custom name title pipe. Once you run this command, it will add one file in your application and it code look like as below, in which they have imported pipe and pipe transfer from @angular/core. And in pipe decorator, you need to specify the name of your pipe. Then export class name title pipe implements pipe transform, and in which we have transform method. In this transform method, we need to add our logic. Once you create custom pipe, you need to add your logic as per requirement into your created pipe. Then you have to import and register pipe name in app module.ts file in declaration array. For that, you can import your custom pipe name from, you have to specify your path of your pipe, and in ng module in declaration array, you just specify your pipe name. Then once you're done with this, then you have to use that pipe in your HTML app.component.html. So we can write double curly bracket name vertical bar custom name title pipe colon gender. Custom name title pipe is my name of created custom pipe, and after that colon you can specify parameter to the transform method. Now how we pass multiple parameter to custom pipe? You can pass multiple parameters separated by this colon. You can write double curly bracket first name vertical bar custom name title pipe colon first last name colon gender colon. You can specify multiple parameters. Once you pass multiple parameters from HTML, then you have to do changes in your transform method of your custom pipe. In transform method, same parameters you need to capture. Like my first parameter will be first name, last name, gender, and the return type is string. Let's move to the practical part. First, we need to create one folder in app folder with name pipes. We will locate to this folder and we will generate pipe in this folder. So I am using nggp custom name title dash pipe. Once you run this command, it will generate custom pipe for you in this folder. Let's open this file. You can see this code gets added by default when the file gets created. You have to do changes in this transform method. Like my first parameter will be first name with string data type. Second parameter last name string data type. Third parameter will be gender, which is also of string data type, and I also want to return string from this function. Okay, so here I will write some code. I will assign Mr. and Mrs. depends on the gender, and also I will print the full name of the employee. So for this I will create one variable with value, and here I will check gender dot to lowercase equals to, if gender is male, then I have to assign mr plus first name plus last name. Okay, else if gender is female, then my initial will be mrs first name and last name. We have to return this value from this function, which is of string type. Okay, now go to app.component.ts And here I will create my I have prepared some custom data here. So I will just copy. I will paste here. Okay. And this array I have prepared. I will explain this. Here I have created employee array, which is of any data type. And in ng on in it, I am assigning second. In ng on in it, I am assigning dummy data to this array. Okay. Now in HTML, I have prepared some table. This is my table. I have assigned this class to this table. This is tr and this is our body of our table. And I'm iterating employees array using the ng for. This is our simple. Okay, let's run this. I have just printed data. Okay, so we'll run this application using ngserve. It will take some time. Ng for let item of. Let's save all. Go to the browser. Here you can see our list gets printed. Now my requirement is I want to print this first name and last name. Means I want this full name. So for that I have created this custom pipe. So I will just copy this name, go to the HTML, to first name here, vertical bar, and I will add my custom pipe name, colon, parameter name, item dot last name, colon, item dot gender. Here you can see we need first name, last name and gender. Same way I have passed. This is my first parameter, second parameter and third parameter. Let's save it. Go to the browser. Here you can see initial gets added and you can see the full name of employee. Okay. So that's all from this video. If you have any question or concern, please contact me via this email or you can comment on this video. I will get back to you. Thank you. Happy learning.